Not little beaded caulk wouldn't fix, or if I find a bigger one of these that has a plate, I'll just replace it. But for now, that's fine. And the water's got to be turned off for this to do those. That's for tomorrow, because I'm done. The kit I was telling you about, the company that made that was Citation. So Citation was bought out by Seiko. And there's all the goodies that comes with and everything. So there's that. These are the little tools I was telling you about. I'm using a Klein ice pick. I guess it's an ice pick. And of course, you need to make sure the water's off. If you don't, that'd be hilarious. And all you do is unscrew it and pull it out. Make sure you match them up. One would assume that the diverter would be different than the other two, the middle piece. And my suspicions are correct. That's one valve, and that's the diverter. So, just put them in their respective holes and snug them back down pretty good, and that's all there is to it. I mean, it's pretty simple and straightforward. There's gaskets on it, so you don't need no plumber's tape or none of that. It's pretty damn simple.